Atomic number for hydrogen. That's the whole number in the box there. Sarah, what's the atomic number for hydrogen?
1.
Okay. Hydrogen is atomic number 1. All right, the atomic mass is the long decimal. So, Catherine, what is that? Maybe Kelly?
Carbon?
It's 1.0079. You'll be all set when we get to the next example, okay? The mass number is the atomic mass rounded off to the closest whole number, usually. All right. Number of protons, does anybody remember what vocab word that is equal to? You probably don't yet. This is the definition of atomic number is the number of protons in an element. So raise your hand if you know what it is. Okay, Pat?
1.
So hydrogen has 1 proton. Okay. The electrons, like we did in the crossword, are equal to the number of protons when the atom's neutral. Okay. So Jenny, how many electrons would we have here if they're equal to the number of protons? Someone over here said it. Kelly? 1. Okay. That's right. Once you have an example or two set up, then you'll get to learn the rest of those. All right. Neutrons in the crossword puzzle was the mass number plus the protons together. So you're going to subtract to get the number of neutrons. And would anybody like to try that? Yes?
0.
Good. It's the only element with 0 neutrons. Okay. Now that you guys have an example up here, I should be able to call on you. Carbon. Aaron, what's the atomic number?
6.
Okay. The atomic mass, Dan?
12.011.
Good. All right. Now this gives us the mass number over the atomic number. All right. So what is the mass number, Lauren?
12.
Okay. Number of protons, Pat?
12.
Be careful. It's not the same as the mass number. I know the hydrogen example looks tricky. It's the same as the atomic number.
6.
Mike, how about the number of neutrons?
18.
Subtracting.
So add them together? Oh, so you subtract them. Okay, 6.
Yep. All right. And then number of electrons? Jackie?
6.
Yep. Okay, same as the protons. Okay, one more example we'll have time for. Jenny, how about the atomic number of potassium? Which it actually gives you here if you can't find it quickly enough on the table.
19.
Yep. Who has the atomic mass? Go ahead.
39.098.
Okay, mass number, Lauren? You can just round off the closest whole number or go from this.
39.
Yep. Okay, the atomic number, Mike? The protons, which is the same as the atomic number?
19.
Yep. Raise your hand if you can subtract quickly to get the neutrons. Jackie? 20. And raise your hand if you know how many electrons there are. Okay, Kelly?
19.
Good. Okay, good stop there.